Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In the last lesson within this chapter, you learned how to save a template to your computer. In this lesson, you will learn how to create a new workbook from the template you saved to your computer. To create a new workbook from a saved template, open Microsoft Excel. If viewing the Home Startup screen, then click the New button at the left side of the screen. Alternatively, if you have already opened a workbook, then instead click the File tab within the ribbon. Then click the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. After performing either action, then click the Personal category that appears underneath the search box in the area to the right to display the personal templates you have saved to your computer within Excel. These templates appear within the Templates area below. You can then click the name of the template to use as the basis for your new Excel workbook to create a new copy within Excel. You can then add your own data to the new workbook you have created and save it as normal. Note that the changes made to the workbook do not change the original template from which the workbook was created.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.